How's it going? So have you ever tried to copy your favorite guru? You reverse engineered and copied their funnels, their marketing tactics, their content, but it never really works for you. And it never really get you any clients. But somehow it works for them, but it doesn't work for you. You ever notice that? I joined multiple coaching programs, followed their exact steps, exact funnels to a T. But every time I either flat out fail or I did manage to get a little bit of win, but it's not the win that I actually want. So it's not because I didn't work hard, but none of these coaches ever stopped to ask me this one simple question. So today I'm going to be showing with you what that one simple question is. If you don't ask yourself this one question, it's most likely killing your coaching or consulting business. You're not getting any clients online. And what to do instead. All right, so a little story. Last week, I had a coaching client. He was expressing how happy he was working with me because of my support and my general vibe with him. Then from that, we had a conversation and we came to a topic where he joined his previous coaching programs where he wasn't happy, which prompted me to tell my story of the programs that I've joined. So he found this story really helpful. So I decided to make this video. I'm pretty sure it will help other people, coaches or consultants trying to get clients online, especially through YouTube too. So when I got laid off from my engineering and marketing job, I decided I don't want to be an employee anymore because I don't like to put my stability on somebody else's hands, right? So I want to build my own thing. So I joined multiple coaching programs. From a coaching program that teaches me how to become a digital marketer, from a coaching program that teaches me how to become a freelancer to get my first $2,000 client, which I have achieved. And then when I thought I was ready to scale and build a team, because that was what all these coaches tell me to do, I joined another agency program to help scale and become an agency bro. All of these coaching programs work. I did get clients from whatever they taught me, but I noticed that these clients were a wrong fit with me and what I actually wanted. The clients were broke. They're not committed. They require a lot of hand holding, a lot of emotional baggage. They ghosted me when things get a little tough. And I think the worst type of client is the one that, hey, do you have a guarantee? Which is the worst kind, because why would somebody ask me for a guarantee? It's not that they want me to guarantee my stuff works for them. They actually are not confident in themselves that they will do the thing. That's why they want to have a guarantee, because they feel like if they join my coaching or consulting, whatever program, it doesn't work for them. They feel like, oh, it's because your program doesn't work, but they don't want to blame themselves. So I think those are the worst kinds. So ultimately, all these guys, they didn't get results. And if you're running a coaching or consulting business, you need your clients to get results, because when they get results, that's your case study. If you're coaching or consulting people and they're not getting results, then you don't have results. So I hated delivering for these guys and I need to change something fast. So looking back at all these coaching programs that I joined, what they taught works for them. And to some degree, it does work when I tried it. But why doesn't it really click with me? But it clicked with them. Is because their offer, their method works for them, for their vibe, for their frequency. But it doesn't work for me, my vibe, my frequency. So now that I'm a coach myself, and one of the reasons I'm a coach is because I couldn't find a coach that was good enough to coach me. So I felt like I could be a coach that could coach other people. They're not having this support that I wanted. And if I were to sum up, before you join the next coaching program or even my program, before you copy the next viral guru's funnel or ads or copy, you need to know one thing. Then ask yourself this question. The one thing is, every marketing tactic works. Cold email works, YouTube works, Instagram works, cold DM works, LinkedIn, everything works. But ask yourself, does the method this guru teaches align with you? Do I vibe with this tactic? Do I enjoy doing this tactic? Can I see myself doing this tactic for the next 5-10 years? If it's yes, then it's totally worth pursuing. If it's no, you feel dread, you don't want to do this, then don't waste your time and energy and find another method that aligns with you. Maybe YouTube isn't your thing. Maybe LinkedIn is your thing. Or maybe none of that is your thing. Maybe you're into cold email. So that's something you need to ask yourself. So if you're tired of trying to sell your high ticket offer online the hard way, trying to fit yourself into somebody else's playbook, just don't. Build your own map and I'll show you how. If you want me to audit your offer, your positioning, and who you should actually target to promote your offer, book my funnel audit down below. Getting clients online shouldn't be hard. In fact, in my next video, I'm going to show you how I get clients with a very simple $355 YouTube setup. Watch that video right here.